Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Uzair from ways2sellonline.com and I'm here to help you out in selling your product online. So, the topic of today's video is the most frequently asked question by most of the people who are willing to start selling their products online, that which platform we have to select. Either we choose Shopify to start selling our products online or Amazon. What are the pros and cons of each platform? So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining you the pros and cons of each platform step by step, one by one. So if you are also an e-commerce seller, then this video is going to be super helpful for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because in this video you can get my honest opinion about both platforms. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are new here, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So let's first start from Shopify. Shopify is just like a CMS, content management system, which allow you to make a website on your domain, and that website is having some pre-made scripts or pre-made programs which allows you to make a cool website, cool e-commerce website with a home page, with about us page, with your payment method integrated, and a product page on which you can add multiple products and make your listings. So all those people visiting your website or your web store can see all of your product and they can place the order to you on those products they like. So let me just give you some examples of Shopify store, then we'll start discussing some pros and cons. So let's just search for any Shopify product like Smart Scissor Cutter Shopify. And when we click on Google Images, so we can see the example of some a Shopify store, and we can open that. So as you can see here, we are on a Shopify store. We can see that this is a product page of this product. Here are some reviews, here is a title, here is the add to cart button, ship from, quantity, and when I go down to this page, I can see some description and some images about that product. And if I want to purchase that product, I can just select the quantity and I can just click on add to cart and then proceed to checkout. That's it. If we go to the homepage of that product, so we can see that this is a good Shopify store and they are having only one product, but most of the Shopify store are having more than one product. So that's what Shopify store looks like, and that's how we can purchase a product from them. So if you want to start building your own Shopify store, so you can just research some product and then you can make a Shopify store and then you can upload those products on that store and start selling those. And if you want a detailed video about how to research a product and how to make your own Shopify store, so you can just go and watch my Shopify playlist, because in that playlist I make some complete detailed video that how you can do this. So let's get back to our topic. So this is a Shopify store and here is a product. So now the question that comes in your mind is that how we can get sales, like how we can drive the traffic to the Shopify store. So there can be multiple reasons. Once you have made your Shopify store and once you have uploaded all your products, then you have to market your store. Then you have to create some ads on Facebook, on Google, on any social media platform like Pinterest or like Instagram. So you have to create ads and you have to put those ads on social media platform, and then you have to bring the traffic related to your niche to your store. And then if your store looks good and that the people visiting your store feels that your store is a credible store and the product are good, then they will make a purchase. That means if you build a Shopify store, then you have to bring some external paid traffic to your store. So that's all about Shopify store. And the one advantage that I feel about Shopify store is it requires less investment. Like you don't need to buy or you don't need to purchase a lot of inventory for start building your Shopify store. For example, if you are having 5 products on your store, so you don't need to purchase 500 or 1000 units of all those inventory. You just have to start advertising your store, and when you get sales, then you can just purchase those units from AliExpress or any other supplier. Then you can just put that product and just send that to your buyer. So the number one advantage of Shopify store is you don't need to purchase inventory. But at the same time, there's a disadvantage also. The disadvantage is if you make your store and you start running your ad, then by the time you keep running your ad, you get the traffic and you get the sale. And when you stop or quit your ads, then you will get no sales. Like all the sales you have made in the past, that sales will not be recorded by Shopify and your sales history will be of no use in future. So that is the main disadvantage that I feel is with Shopify store. So now let's move on to Amazon and start discussing that what it is and what are the advantages and what are disadvantages. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon. If we talk about search engine, like what is the biggest or largest search engine in the world, that is Google. And if it comes to e-commerce, then the largest search engine in the world on which people use to search products they want is Amazon. So that means Amazon is a search engine by itself. So people go on Amazon website and search for the products they want. So that is a big and main advantage of Amazon. So let's just search for any product and see how it works. So for example, I search for bamboo cutting board, and when I go on Amazon search engine and search for the product I want, Amazon is showing me some listings that are made by some sellers, and these are the options available to me if I want to purchase that product. So that means these are the seller, and there are thousands of sellers of this product on Amazon, and these are the seller that are ranked on page number 1 because they perform very good, their quality is good, their rating is good, and you can see that they are having a lot of reviews and a lot of sales. So if you are an e-commerce seller and if you want to sell your products on Amazon search engine, then the first thing you have to do is do an Amazon product research. And if you wanted to know about this complete process, that how to do research, how to source product and how to get sales, so you can just watch my other videos in detail on my Amazon playlist so you can understand better. But for this video, I am only explaining you the business model. So you can see that these are the sellers that are selling their products online. So if you want to sell, you have to first research a product and then you have to first purchase the inventory of that product. For example, today you decided to sell these bamboo cutting boards. So first of all, you need to find a supplier or manufacturer. Then you need to purchase at least 500 or 1000 units of that particular product, and then after purchasing that inventory, you have to send that inventory to your house or the Amazon FBA warehouse. And then when your product will be listed on Amazon, your inventory is ready to deliver, then you need to start marketing your product on Amazon search engine by the marketing model called PPC, which is paid per click advertising campaign. And what these PPC campaigns do is, you can see that here I have searched a product bamboo cutting board, and you can see that the 4 listings are sponsored. You can see that there is a tag of a sponsored on these listings. That means these sellers are currently advertising their product and putting money on advertise just to show these products on top of the page when someone search for bamboo cutting board. So that means regardless of Shopify, where you market your product and bring traffic from social media platform, on Amazon, you have to market your product in the internal search engine of Amazon so you can get more visibility of your listing or of your product in the internal search engine of Amazon. Because all the traffic is inside the Amazon and you just have to divert that traffic to your listing and then get conversions. So that is the number 1 disadvantage of this model is you need a lot of investment, like more than Shopify, to start your Amazon store, because here you need to purchase inventory first. But if we talk about advantage, then there is a big advantage of this model that I personally like the most, that it is a search engine and it records your sales history. For example, if we open just any of this listing like this one, so we can see that this is a brand and this is a product of that brand and rank on the first page of Amazon. So you can see that the brand name is Royal Craft Wood Store, and we can see the date on which this store or this brand launched this product. So if we go down to the listing, we can see the date. You can see that the date first available for this product was 28th November 2020. That means on this date, this seller starts selling that product, and after selling this product for a couple of months, this seller has made a good amount of sales. And you can see that all those people purchase that product, leaves a review to that seller, like this seller is having 513 ratings, on which majority of are 4.7 star, which reveals that this product is having a good quality and all the buyers purchasing that product are satisfied with the product. So that is the main advantage of the product. Like from the date this seller starts selling this product on Amazon, all the sales history and all the review history has been recorded by Amazon, and which will be on Amazon forever. Like for example, right now is 2021, and after 5 years in 2025, this seller listing will be on Amazon, and all the sale history and all the sales they made in past 5 years and all the reviews they got in past 5 years will be on Amazon and will be on their listing. So the upcoming customer can see the sale history, the selling seniority of that seller, and all the reviews that all the a customer has made in past 5 years, so they can just make their purchase decision more quick to purchase that product from that seller. So that means the more old seller you are on Amazon, the more mature your listing will be with a good amount of sale history and good amount of reviews, and that is something that makes your listing and your brand superior from other. So in that way, when your listing gets mature, you will start getting ranking and sales forever, and then after your listing gets mature, you don't need to spend a lot of money in advertising. You only need to spend a lot of money in advertising at your initial times, and when your listing gets some good sales history and when your listing gets some good reviews, then you can lower your advertising budget on PPC and start enjoying some organic sales. Because as I stated earlier, Amazon is a search engine by itself, so you can get some free traffic if your listing is being ranked on all the relevant keywords and the visibility of your listing in the search engine is very high. So the conclusion of this video is that Shopify is not the asset, like it not records your sale history or your past performance, but Amazon is just like an asset. It records all your sale history, all your past performance and all your reviews. So that can help you to get more and more sales in the future for free. In my opinion, I prefer Amazon over Shopify if you are having a good amount of investment and if you are dedicated towards your business. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and clear your concept about Shopify and Amazon. So if you have any other question, so you can just feel free to ask in the comment box below. I will surely try to answer all of your questions. And if you want me or my team to give you consultation in your e-commerce business, then you can reach out to us anytime by filling a simple form which you can find in the description of this video. So go there, fill that form and reach out to us for any kind of advice or consultation regarding e-commerce. So that's it for today. If you like the video, then make sure to subscribe the channel so you can watch more videos like this. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.